smells so good down this walkway. There's a bakery. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, good. Hi! Now I am walking to the YSL Museum. We just got done doing me, myself, and I just got done doing the garden. So now I'm going to go to the YSL Museum. So how much battery do I have left? Oh, I have plenty. We can walk. Oh, thank you for the wind. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. And then I'm going to taxi back to the Medina because I want to do some shopping. And then after that, oh, the tree's a little too tall for that. Okay. شكرا. Have you seen the movie Cobalt? It has been an eventful day, might I add. I would like to go into the souks and buy a few things. I also want to stop in my friend's store. He recently moved to Germany. I still want to stop in the store and see if I can buy some things from the store to support. Plus, there's just some things I want to buy. And then I need to do all of this before 8 o'clock because I have dinner, and then that will conclude my vacation, sadly. I take the train back to Casablanca tomorrow morning, and then I switch trains from the station in Casablanca to another train that will take me to the airport in Casablanca, and then I fly out tomorrow afternoon. So I'm gonna go to the souks really quickly. We'll have dinner for the last time in Marrakesh for this year, and or you never know, I might come back in the end of the year. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, have dinner. I'll come back to the room, I'll pack, I'll go to sleep because it's an early morning for travel and journey back to Casablanca and ultimately across the Atlantic back to America. I don't know if I showed you my dress because I was by myself recording, so I really couldn't do a lot of like everything. But this is my dress. It is kind of V-neck. It was in one of my shopping hauls, but with my Yves Saint Laurent bag that I've been wearing while I've been here, and I have some Birkenstocks, but I'm thinking I might switch to my YSL shoes since I'm just walking here, but then I kind of don't want to because they're not as comfortable. I think I'm gonna keep my Birkenstocks, so let's go.